Hello friends, in today's video, we will see how to connect QuantVPS with PickMyTrade for automated trading on interactive brokers. The first step would be to sign up on QuantVPS using the PickMyTrade referral, through which you will get a discounted price. Head over to www.quantvps.com/PickMyTrade and click on Get Started. You will see multiple pricing plans like VPS Lite, VPS Pro, and VPS Ultra. You can choose the plan according to your usage, and then move ahead to the payments page. Once you are on the payments page, you have to enter the referral code here, PickMyTrade, and you will get an exclusive discount. Once the payment is done, you will get the QuantVPS login details from the QuantVPS dashboard. You will get details like VPS IP address, username, password, and server status. You would need these details later, so keep them ready. Now you have to open the remote desktop application on your system. Once it opens, you have to enter the QuantVPS details of the IP address and the username. Once you log in, you will be able to see the pre-installed software of the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation and the PickMyTrade IB application. Now, to configure PickMyTrade with Interactive Broker for automation, first we will go into our Chrome browser and log into www.pickmytrade.io with our subscription account. Once we are logged in, we have to select the broker as IB, and then we will come back to our home screen and open the Interactive Broker Trader Workstation and log in to the Interactive Broker paper trading or live trading account as per our requirement. Once these two logins are done, lastly, we have to open the PickMyTrade Interactive Broker application and log in with the same details of our PickMyTrade subscription account. And now you can check here in the browser that your connection is working and we have successfully configured PickMyTrade with Interactive Broker for automation. Note, make sure you select the same connection name in the PickMyTrade app, which is selected in the PickMyTrade.io web login. Now you can go ahead and generate alerts in PickMyTrade like we do for all brokers. The link is in the description. We wish you happy trading.